Hi, welcome to SolidEdge ST10 video tutorial. I want to do that hexagon grill exercise now in SolidEdge ST. And it went quite well. And again, please note, it's not possible to cover a sphere with equally sized hexagons. So those hexagons are equally sized, but the space in between those hexagons is not equal for all those hexagons. So let's have fun with SolidEdge. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the front plane. I need a circle and diameter might be 600. So give it a dimension like this. And now I need some lines because I want to trim it. So there you go. First trim. Where's my trim command? There it is. This should be gone. That should be gone. This should be gone. Those two lines should be for construction only, and those points should be aligned horizontal, and the angle might be, go for angle, this might be 80 degrees. I will need a line like that and make it for construction only. And close that sketch. Finish. Now I want to make a revolve, or yeah, there you go, revolved surface. And I want to rotate that sketch around that axis, and it should be symmetric, and let's take a look. So go for 70 degrees. Finish. Cancel this out. I will need a plane tangent to that surface, so we'll go for a plane which is parallel to that one, and the distance is 300. Because tangent, yeah, might work, tangent might work as well. That would be the surface, and if you go for that midpoint, that should work as well. Okay, great. Now let's make a sketch on that new plane. So go for a sketch on that plane, and that should be a hexagon. Let's see, there you go, polygon by center, yes. That polygon should be centered right here. And yeah, that's the direction, yes. But I need it to be constrained like that, so go for 10. So that doesn't quite work. Now it's okay, but this looks good, yeah. Add another 10 or align those points, so go for this one. Select that midpoint and arrange it with that one. Now maybe add another 10 here, another 10 there, one here, and that one. Close that sketch. finish that sketch and cancel this out. Now I want to project that one onto this surface. So let's see. Go to surfacing, go to project, project, go there and normal to selected surface, yes, okay. And I want to project that curve onto this plane, or not plane but surface. Confirm, finish, cancel this out and hide the plane and the sketch. Okay, I will need a copy of that surface, so we'll go for an offset of 0. Where's my offset surface? There you go. I want to offset this one. Right click by 0 millimeter. Finish, cancel this out. And now hide the revolve and make a trim with the projection. So go for a trim. I want to trim not a body but a single surface. This surface, right click with that curves. Not single but chain. And confirm. And I want to remove this side. Confirm, and I've got my small surface. Finish, cancel this out. Now let's make a pattern with that surface around that axis. So go to Home, go to Pattern. I want to pattern a single surface. That surface right here, right click around that axis, so I need this plane. I have to go for an arc and it would be fixed, so the arc might go like this. And it should be 6 times 3, which means it's 15 with 6 instances. 6 radius doesn't matter, but I need 6 instances and 15 degree. Close that sketch. So yeah, of course I didn't click. This pattern is so annoying. Okay, I need an arc which goes here over there, and it should be 15 degrees. Not fit but fixed. 6 instances and 15 degrees all together. No, if it's fixed it's 3 degrees. And click in that direction, close that sketch. Let's take a look. Yes, this looks okay. Finish. And now I want to move those faces if possible. So move faces, rotate faces. And therefore I would need an axis. So if I want to rotate this face, right click. Around which axis? Around that axis. and it's 1.75 degrees. 1.75 degrees. Looks good. Yeah. Finish. Next phase, this one. Right click around that axis, and again it's 1.75. Finish. Next phase, right click around that geometry, and again it's 1.75, and confirm and finish. Okay, so let's thicken those surfaces. Go to thicken, go for single, select this one, right click in this direction 1 millimeter, yes. Next one, that direction, bring it back. Again and again. Now the back side, go for this one first, right click, yes. This one, right click, yes. That one, right click, yes. This one, that one, and last but not least this one. Finish, cancel this out. Okay, now I want to pattern these. Okay, so hide the projection and go for another pattern, and that pattern would be around this axis, yes. So go for pattern. I want to pattern a body, that body, and that would be the sketch plane, and I need an arc. It should be fixed. And it should go from that center up there. In that direction, yes. And I need, let's say, 10. And the spacing would be 3.5. But that might not work. Let's see. Close that sketch. Oh yeah, that looks okay. Finish. Now I want to mirror this with that plane. So go for mirror. Mirror, I want to mirror copy part. That would be the body. And the plane would be this one. Finish. Once more. And the plane would be that one. Great. Finish. Cancel this out. Okay, I will need another offset of that first revolve, so bring it back and hide maybe the body. I need another offset surface. Where is it? There you go. And again 0. Finish, cancel this out. Hide the revolve, hide the sketch. I need my plane, yeah, and I want to do a sketch on that plane. So go for a sketch right there. I need a centered rectangle, yes, and give it dimensions. So this might be 1, 3, 5, and that distance might be 3, 4, 0. Close that sketch. Finish, cancel this out, and now I want to project that one onto that surface. So go for surfacing, project, make sure it's normal. Okay, and I want this sketch to be projected onto that surface. Finish, cancel this out, hide the sketch, and trim. So I want to trim that surface with that curve, and I want to remove this side. Confirm, finish, cancel this out. Now I need a new body. So go to Home, add body, that would be the grid. No, that's not the grid, but yeah, it will be the grid after all. Grid, I call it grid, that's okay. I want to thicken that one, so go to thicken that surface in that direction by 0.5 millimeter. Finish, and then I want to do the same to the other side. This one, right click, 0.5, finish, cancel this out. So that should be the grid body, yes. It's the active body, yes. Bring back the design body. And now I want to subtract. I could hide the plane. Okay. I want to subtract the design body from the grid. So go for subtract. The target body would be the grid. Yes. Right click, and I want to subtract the design body. Right click. Let's see. Finish, cancel this out, and hide the design body. It looks pretty good. And hide the projection curve. Nice. Now let's hide the grid. And that trim surface, I want to extend it. Let's see. Is there some sort of extension? Yes, there is. I want to go for a chain. Yes. Select those edges. Right click, and I want to extend it by 5 millimeter. And okay, finish, cancel this out. Now bring back the projection, and I want to trim that surface with the projected curve. So I want to trim this body, right click, with that chain. Yes, right click, and I want to remove this side. Confirm, finish, cancel this out. Now I need a new body, so that would be the rim. Let's call it rim. Go for add body, call this rim, and I want to thicken that rim in one direction 2 millimeters and the other direction 3 millimeters. So let's go to thicken. I want to thicken that surface 2 millimeter in that direction. Finish. And then I want to go for single, select that surface, right click and extend it or extrude it or thicken it by 3 millimeters. Finish, cancel this out. Now let's hide the projection, and I want to make a round 10 millimeter on this edge, that edge, this one, and of course that one. Right click, preview, finish, and then 50 millimeters on those edges. Preview, finish, cancel this out. Now let's see if we bring back our grid. Yeah, looks quite nice. Now I need the surrounding plate, and therefore let's hide those and bring back the trim surface, that trim surface. Yeah, and now extend this one. Surfacing extend by, let's say, 20 millimeters. Go for a chain, yes. And make it 20 millimeters. Great. Finish, cancel this out. Now I don't need to trim it. I have only to take care that the fillet, the round, will be small enough. So let's thicken that surface with maybe 1 millimeter. So go to home, and I need a new body. Add body, that would be the plate, and thicken it. Thicken that one, right click in that direction with 1 millimeter. So not 3 millimeter but 1 millimeter in that direction. Finish, and then not the body but a single, this surface, right click in that direction, 1 millimeter. Finish, cancel this out. Now some rounds. So this one was, so we'll go for 14 on this round. Round 14 millimeter. Here. Over there. Here, and of course there as well. Preview, finish. And now let's go for 20 or 25, doesn't really matter. On this edge, that one, this one, and of course that one. Preview, finish, cancel this out. Now let's bring back our bodies, the rim, the grid. Let's see if that's okay. No, that's not okay, so that round should be smaller, this one. So go to edit definition and make it not 14, but let's go for 10. That should work. Yeah, finish. Okay. Now let's make a Boolean operation. So go for union. I want to make a union between this one, that one, and that one. Takes a while. Confirm. Finish, cancel this out, and I'm almost done. I could add a chamfer. Go for a chamfer. There you go. Make it 0.5. Yes, on this edge. Does it go all around? No, so select it over here as well. Yep. Right click, finish. And if you want on that edge as well. Finish, cancel this out. And I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.